off. I'm the assistant director of the play, Jamie Lentz.
And I'm Brooke, or Vicky, and I'm Auburn Redmond.
And this is our fine arts building.
Welcome in.
Welcome in.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I play Dottie, or Mrs. Clackett, and this is the entrance/foyer.
It's just essentially a really long hallway, and you can see the construction going on for our set. You can come on in. They're a little messy right now because we have all of our stuff out. But these are the dressing rooms with all of the costumes for the actors right now.
This is our shop. So here we build all the sets that they've created in there. So we have all of these little outlets that just hang from the ceiling, which is kind of cool to have. This is where we keep our power tools. Don't go in there.
It's dangerous. But this is also where tech students get to work. Mr. Thompson's tech students get to build things in here. That's why there's a bunch of desks and stuff. So students really get to be involved in helping.
Doesn't look as pretty because it's a little messy, but this is where we get to keep all of our props. We have a lot and they're all disorganized in the little theater, but here they're going to be amazingly organized. It's great.
Hi, I'm Shula. I'm secretary of the thespian troupe here at Ryan High School.
I'm Carolina. I'm an honorary member.
And I'm Ella, and I'm the vice president of the troupe.
And we're going to show you the gallery at the Fine Arts Center.
So all of this is actually made by Ryan High School students, like in their actual art classes.
And a lot of these, I'm in one of these classes, were made by our partner art students. So these lovely little pop art pieces were all done by students in the partner art class.
Very cool.
And you can probably find some of your friends' artwork, which is cool.
I know that we do that. I forgot his name, but he did.
Mm-hmm. And this one is hung up in Mr. Crossland's room. Something
Really?
similar to this. Yeah, I look at it all the time.
There were some really cool like house sculptures that they made. I like this little guy.
Yeah.
How cool he is.
We love him.
So it's a very cool space. We are very lucky to have it and to be able to share it with all of our art students who are not in the performing arts, but they get a space here in our fine arts building.
Yeah.
And I play Belinda and Flavia in our show of Noises Off. And this is our brand new stage in the Denton Ryan Fine Arts Center.
Hi, I'm Jeremiah. I play Selsden and Noises Off. And this is our wonderful set that we're blessed to be having. This is backstage, right? We have a bunch of props back here. This is the back of the set that you'll be able to see in Act 2 if you come see our show.
If you could, you should actually
come see our show. And then this is backstage left.
More props.
More. This show has so many props.
Chloe's holding an axe that is used in the show. She actually tries to slaughter a couple people with them. We just have random props that we have for on stage. Everything is here, and it's so much fun.
Hi, my name is Braden and I play Gary and Roger, and I will be giving you a tour of the set. So, up these stairs, we have the front door, and stairs back there for the cast. Up here, these stairs are fine. In this first room, we have the mezzanine bathroom. The next door is the airing cupboard. which is used in like one scene. And in the bedroom right here, which is a very important part of the show. Okay, downstairs. We have the study door. Needs to stop. We don't have a door for it, but this is the kitchen. You just go through there. Usually there's not a ladder there. And then we have the window for Selsden to climb through. I'm not gonna open that. And then over here we have the downstairs bathroom and wash closet suite. And that's the tour of the set.
This is our beautiful control zone. Here we control the lights. Can't really see it now because it's turned off, but this is where we control our lights. Obviously that's sound, but this is also for house lights and all these other things that are only on stage lights, while in the tech booth, that is other lights that make us look pretty. This is what our beautiful technicians wear mid-show. I can hear myself, weird. But yeah.
Now I'm gonna show you our beautiful tech booth. This is where our catwalk access is, but the door is locked right now. And here's an entrance to the main Fine Arts Center, the auditorium. And here is the entrance to the follow spot. And the door is also locked. And then this is the door to the actual tech booth, where you can see out onto the stage and onto another little booth right out front. And we have a beautiful, brand spanking new light setting little place. And of course, the rest just waiting to be filled up with things, of course. And if you go down this ramp, this leads to the open audio where the lovely Scout is. Hello. Our lovely sound technician. And this is a really cool open space where we have gear for sound, and also where you're able to like plug in like DVDs and stuff for presentations and such. And this is personally one of my favorite spots because you can see out, but like it's all open.
My name is Stephen Thomas and I play Freddy / Philip / Sheik.
see Noises Off in the new Fine Arts Center.
Come watch Noises Off!